Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 12 divided by 12 divided by 12 divided by 12. According to the rule of mathematics KCF, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. Now, when we have more than one division, we have to, from left to right. Now 12 divided by 12 gives us 1. Now 1 divided by 12 is 1 over 12, and we have divided by 12. According to this rule KCF, keep first fraction 1 over 12, change division to multiplication, and flip next fraction 1 over 12. Now 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 12 times 12 gives us 144. The final answer is here. Thank you for watching.